Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make roles in Discord Mobile. First, open your Discord app and navigate to the server where you want to create roles. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you can effectively manage your server's member access and organization. Understanding roles is key to a well-structured community, allowing you to grant specific permissions and enhance user experience. Let's get started. To begin, access your server settings by tapping the three dots next to your server's name. From there, select Settings and then find the Roles option. Tap the Create Role button, give your new role a clear and descriptive name, and pick a unique color. This color helps members easily identify different roles within your server, making management much simpler. After naming your role, it's time to set its permissions. Scroll through the list of available permissions and toggle them on or off based on what you want members with this role to be able to do. You can control everything from sending messages to managing channels. Remember to carefully review each setting. Once satisfied, tap Save Changes to apply your new permission configuration. Finally, let's assign your newly created roles to members. Navigate to your server's member list and tap on the profile of the person you wish to assign a role to. Select Manage User, and then choose the roles you want to give them from the list. You can assign multiple roles if needed. Confirm your selections, and the members' roles will be updated instantly, granting them the associated permissions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.